Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be discussing if Delhi Capitals have the potential to win the IPL 2020 season happening in UAE. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to Break It Down with Rudy, and today we are going to be discussing about the Delhi Capitals and if they actually have a chance to win this season's IPL. So we're going to be highlighting the strengths, the weaknesses or the limitations and how they can go about changing their squad to actually win the season this year. They have a fantastic team this year. The sheer talent that they have is extraordinary, right? They already had Indian batting talent, right? Young Indian batting talent. They had Shreyas Iyer, they had Rishabh Pant and Prithvi Shaw. Amazing. Plus to this, they brought in experienced players like Rahane and Ashwin, and this is done. This will do. Trust me, this will do. Greats. Okay, even if Rahane doesn't play, Rahane's presence will bring in so much to the squad, and I think it's extraordinary that they've gotten these experienced players, right? So, also, what is working for them, right? Last 2 years, Shreyas Iyer as captain has worked for them. They last year they had one of the most successful campaigns they've had in a long while. They qualified for the playoffs. Delhi qualified for the playoffs in such a long time. It was extraordinary. And this year, Delhi fans are going to be very excited because this year I think they're not even going to qualify for the playoffs. They have a chance to actually win it, and I'll tell you why. Right? Not only is Shreyas Iyer gained insight on how to be a good captain, experienced players are going to do great for them, but the buy of Hitmeyer is is an amazing young West Indies cricketer who will bring you that power that you needed at the number 5 position. That power, right? That ending power, which I think Delhi Capitals lacked last year. They asked Kimo Paul to deliver that power, but I don't think he really is a specialist batsman, right? So that power that you needed at the number 5 position to actually hit the ball out of the park, and Hitmeyer has that power. So that is an amazing buy. So these three reasons, Shreyas Iyer's captain, experienced players in Rahane and Ashwin, and Hitmeyer with his sheer power is gonna do great. But let's see some of the limitations here. The Rahane dilemma. Okay, are they gonna play Rahane? And if they play him, will he be an opener? Or will he bat at number 3, number 4, number 5, or won't he get to bat at all? Okay, so right now, the top 4 of the Delhi Capitals look like as Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw opening. Definitely, I think according to me, that's a no-brainer. To me, that's a no-brainer. Number 3, you got Shreyas Iyer, the captain himself. Number 4, you got Pant, right? So some people may say that to twist this top 4 around a little bit to fit in Rahane, but I don't think you should do that. I don't think you should do that at all. I think Rahane doesn't. If you even move this, if you get Rahane to bat at number 3, I don't think Shreyas Iyer is giving you enough balls to bat to settle in. He'll get like 30-40 balls if he bats at number 4, and Rishabh Pant, he will hardly get any balls if he bats at number 5, and these people need some time to settle in and then they go guns blazing, as you'll all know. So I don't think Rahane really fits in the squad. You can fit him at number 5, but does Rahane seem like a number 5 player? Not really, right? A T20, number 5, you need a hitter. Rahane is arguably the total opposite of that. So Rahane doesn't fit into this Delhi Capital squad. But I think that's fine. I think even without Rahane being in the squad, his presence itself will give you great. I forgot. But let's move on. Okay. Next, next one more limitation for them is the Hitmeyer Alex Carey dilemma. They got an Alex Carey and Hitmeyer, right? Alex Carey is not as big as a hitter as Hitmeyer, but Alex Carey can play a stable innings, and you've seen that. He's played those stable innings for Australia over the years. So, do you want to go with Alex Carey? He can be a wicketkeeper if Rishabh Pant gets injured. Alex Carey is a great option to be a wicketkeeper. He is an amazing wicketkeeper, which you need, right, in the IPL. But Hitmeyer is is a very talented West Indies player, and he has come back from the CPL. He's had a pretty good season, and I think, according to me, I would go with Hitmaier at number five. Number five, Hitmaier. What? I don't know, man. This year is going to be so exciting for Delhi Capitals. I am excited myself. The countdown has begun, y'all. Only 1 week to go. I'm so excited. But Hitmaier at number five and that top four. Oh my god, it's going to be amazing. One more dilemma that Delhi has to figure out before their opening game with Punjab is Lamachane or Mishra. It's a big decision, y'all. Lamachane has come back from CPL, right? He's in good form, right? But he will take one of the four spots of the overseas players, and we're going to get that spot away. Because you can take that spot from Marcus Stoinis, who can come back and give you 2-3 sixes. And can give you 2-3 overs, bowl an economy of 6-7, and give you a wicket or two. Marcus Stoinis can do greats, but Lamachane or Mishra is an experienced leg spinner, and he is the most successful leg spinner in the history of IPL. The most successful leg spinner. You see his statistics, man. You see his stats. He has taken the most hat tricks by any person in the IPL. He's taken like 3 or 4 hat tricks. It's insane, right? The experience that Mishra will bring you to the table is insane. But if you want to go with Lamachane, then you can't play Marcus Stoinis, or you can't take Keemo Paul. But you want to play Keemo Paul because he's done amazing for you in the last year. So I don't know what Delhi Capitals, what's gonna go in their minds before selecting their starting 11 against Punjab. But me personally, would go with Mishra, Ashwin, Akshar Patel. Hear me out, okay? These three different type of spinners. You need spinners. It's UAE. It's a slow pitch. You need spinners, okay? Spinners are gonna. A spinner. I am literally betting you money. A spinner is gonna be the purple cap winner this year, right? I'm telling you because it's UAE and it's the spinners game. It's a slow pitch. Spinners, you need at least 2 spinners, if not 3. So if you have Akshar Patel to bowl you 2-3 overs, if you have Ashwin who's gonna definitely bowl you 4 overs on any day, and if you have Mishra to give you the leg spin, that flight, oh my god, it's an amazing squad, and I am really excited for this year. And I really think that they can not only qualify but actually win if they stick with their top 11 for 12 to 13 games, and if they find the right combination, which you really need. That's all from me, guys. I am really hopeful for Delhi Capitals this year. Please comment down below who you think is going to win the IPL 2020 happening in UAE, and I'll see you next time. Bye.